service elevator in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It is an original hand-operated Westinghouse. I think the car structure should place out. Let's close it up. Close the gate. That door is very rusty. Yeah, it's weird. It's on the first floor fire break called JAL in like the 80s or something. Anyway, let's go up. Oh, we might have to undo this. There we go. It's kind of slow. It's 5 basement, which I think is the bottom. Yeah, there's 3 basement, then 1 basement, I think. Man, that's that weird rusty swing door I've seen. It's actually my first time riding this. Squeaky and bouncy. It's pretty smooth though, otherwise. Sorry if there's any shakes. Westinghouse. This up here looks like it's been painted. I think that's where rotor dial was, right? Oh, I think it started auto stop level. Here at 10. It's a basic old worn out freight elevator. I think this is not original. I think this is from like the 40s. It's from probably the 50s. Let's go back down. Yeah, it doesn't serve 2 basement or 4 basement, just like the passengers. All right, let's try this again. Hopefully not hit the limits, which is a little under. Right here, back at 5 basement.